Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video I will show you how to stop Facebook ads payment super easily. Let's go. To do this, of course, we have to find the button right here that will go for our account, and then we will click on Meta Business Suite. After going into your Meta Business Suite and of course handle your money stuff, all you have to do is go into settings at the below part of the screen. You will see the settings icon. Even though the language is not English, it's really easy to find. After going into settings, we will go into billings and of course payments, still only the upside of the language settings. We will go into billings, and from billings you will be able to choose the middle option, which is the payment option. And if you have any payment options here, you will be able to just delete them in a simple click. But other than that, that was basically it. And I hope you guys liked the video. We hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.